Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the most merciful and compassionate. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naki Haider Shah and you are watching my channel AAW Knowledge Consultancy. Now, my dear viewers, we are here with our next writing episode, how to write quality English. Now, my dear viewers, as I've told you, this is my new topic. The grammar lectures I'm going to continue, that is a separate area. Now, I've started, this is my second lecture of writing, quality writing. So far, so good. You remember last time I have given you an assignment, a question, and I've told you what was that? That why it's essential and important to learn English. Why it is essential and important to learn English. The very first lecture I've told you the 10 basic principles which you have to follow in order to write a professional English. You can write on any topic if you follow those 10 vital principles. First step is to develop the questionnaire. Have you developed the questionnaire, dear students, dear followers, my dear viewers? Okay. Take out your notebooks, pens and pencils with you and start doing work. So, here we are, let's in action. We have developed a questionnaire which is basically based on 5 questions related to this topic, and we have to answer in a very logical, very simple, very creative manner in order to achieve our result. So you see, first question is, what is a language? What is a language? Second is, why language is important? Why language is important? Third one is, how many languages are spoken throughout the world? How many languages spoken throughout the world? Fourth one is, why English is important? Why English is important? Last one, how our success is related to English. How our success is related to English. Now, my dear viewers, you have seen we have to answer these 5 questions in a very sequential, logical manner, and we are there to have a very good quality English. So far, so good. Happy? Thank you. So, what is a language? Now, please, dear viewers, start writing. I'm going to dictate you one by one the answer of each question. Surely we will arrive at a conclusion. So, what is a language? Write, please. Language is a source of communication among people. Language is a source of communication among people. Happy? Next sentence is, there are more than 6,000 languages. There are more than 6,000 languages spoken throughout the world. Spoken throughout the world. It's maybe more than that, 500,000, maybe more than that, but main languages are more than 6,000. Okay, now what else next? So have you seen that how many languages? More than 6,000 languages are spoken throughout the world. Next sentence is, English is one of them. English is one of them. What else next? As we know that English is an international language. English is an international language which is used and spoken in most parts of the world. Now we are on a question 4, my dear viewers. We are on a question 4. Here we have to be logical, more critical. Next sentence is, it has been seen that in most parts of the world, the majority of the modules, whether they are natural sciences, whether they are management sciences, IT, engineering, they are all composed in English language. They are all composed in English language. So far, so good, my dear viewers. Okay, what else next? So it's essential and vital for all of us to achieve proficiency in written and spoken English. In written and spoken English. You got my point? It's easy, simple, isn't it? What else next? Now see how we can connect these two questions. The fifth one is how our success is related to English, why English is important. Now, remember, are we in sequence? We are following the proper sequence, keeping in mind our 10 principles, 10 golden principles, which I have taught you in my first lecture. Now, next sentence is, if someone is a student, he or she needs to achieve proficiency in written and spoken English. In written and spoken English. In order to achieve good grades in quizzes, assignments, and written examination. Okay, so far so good. If, next sentence is, full stop, right, next sentence is, if someone is manager, teacher, supervisor, doctor, engineer, he or she needs to improve English, writing skills, reading skills, speaking skills, listening skills in order to perform his or her work in a better way. As we know, in different organizations, we have to prepare presentations, we have to prepare reports, so it's essential to improve our English. So far, so good? Okay. You have observed, my dear viewers, that English is essential. You know, a person is considered to be literate. A person is considered to be literate if he or she can speak, read, write English fluently. If he, she can write, speak English fluently. It is very essential for all professionals, whether you are a student, doctor, engineer, to achieve proficiency in written and spoken English. Full stop. Now, if your English is good, your probability of getting a job would be much more higher as compared to others. So, dear viewers, we have seen that whatever the professional you have, you need to have a command on speaking and writing English. So, you have seen that if you are proficient in your English, if you have command on your speaking and writing written English, you can achieve success in your life. Your promotion will depend on your communication skill. Because your profession, you can be successful in your profession if you have the command and proficiency in written and spoken English. So you have seen, my dear viewers, that this is a very small topic, and we have solved this topic in a very sequential, very easiest, very convenient way. Always use small sentences, correct sentences with sequence, generate new innovative, creative ideas, be innovative, be original. Try to write on your own. If you will try to write on your own, believe me, you will learn English, you will learn how to write a professional English. Then sky will be the limit. Thank you, my dear viewers. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you all comforts of life throughout. Ameen. With lots of du'as and lots of prayers. In the end, I have a very humble request as usual. Please, those of you who haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my new videos. In the end of the day, have a nice day, lovely day. So please remember me in your prayers and du'as. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.